Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity that belongs to the sports world. He is a famous basketball player and businessman with a net worth of approximately $1 billion. Well, how do we say their name correctly? We may pronounce it as LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James is often regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. With 4 NBA championships, 4 MVP awards, and countless accolades, his influence extends far beyond the court. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.